I for me I'm strong Poleeno ade. Menya menua panyi bi wo ha ye betwetwe nkomo. Exactly a year and me no ehia ye was set so. Na Ghana fo nyina anim ne say oye fanboy bi a okọ day trash a e man to go no so na o bounce lady bi a friend no free love right. Or bouncing the kama na and then man bi ya because I say go because guy will cry also or bouncing nice girls and then you between come on and say so na wa worry after day trash you know wa worry nti you between come on me na Ignatius e wa high between senior mo kwa ba
so there
bibi aboko year pepe ni
share Afia
Schwar ampa because sisi apa I think it's not COVID that started more before.
It was around this time now. Set so.
Yeah, set so.
Sure.
Say we be a cover code there.
I'm here doing good.
Our race more there.
Nice.
Make sure you subscribe to the channel and subscribe because you're the exclusive interviews and a or Poleeno Multimedia has a subscribe and click the bell notifications and be a part of the family. Go Instagram of our phone say them my family phone now. No go Instagram Poleeno_com. No go follow your host so. You better train come on. Senior.
What's it?
Our rate is
more there.
To your focus crabby before you start even everything. Yeah. You tonight here bang. Didn't know what's your worry.
Oh, our day. We say our kind one.
Our kind one, yeah.
And you don't just wake up and say that you're going to get married.
Okay.
Because it comes with a lot of responsibilities.
Okay.
And it comes with a lot of sacrifices. If you don't sacrifice or adjust to certain things, won't me why? Because there are a lot of problems there. And you're better as how.
Oh no, who be
there? Yes, I won't do home. What do home, but
okay.
What I say?
Be anti-asia and continue. Someone in our
I say, we fear different from no matter back. So right now, we all trying to have a goal.
Okay.
What the little Bible say, when the man findeth a woman, he findeth a good thing, and the two shall become one.
Okay.
What sometimes say 1 + 1 equals 2, but we know 1 + 1 is 1.
Okay.
What I say?
Until which make a who's 1 + 1, we can say 1 because
1 + 1 is 1.
Maybe our free bar.
Exactly. Because the way you are, but no one compromise on you maybe one. When you are, because a man, but before over tea or bassino, you need to humble yourself as a man and respect a woman. That's it.
Because I go for a videos be and say trend say would be di odo and answer or the be worried and cafe di be nkune sa anyama. And you be say no hu a wo worry for no then
you see we went through relationship courtship before we got married.
Okay.
And we began say and then I say about day trash now. I was very close with my wife.
Okay.
Before we entered into a relationship. Okay. We were friends. Before we entered into a relationship, before courtship, before now we're married.
Okay.
Until we be teach I remember in again say when I came on day trash, I was dating.
Okay.
I wasn't dating.
Okay.
It was after day trash, I started dating.
Can be back because after day trash, next man say a year and a half.
Yeah.
A year and a half. Yeah. And see within a year and a half, now my son I won't date. And I'll go home. Yeah. And I'm starting a friendship. Yeah. And I'm starting a relationship, courtship, then marriage. And see, we better say, now why you are doing say, open some worry and see now, okay, day trash.
Oh, they mean me why I went there to look for a woman. I went there because of love. It was almost a day trash. Everybody deserves love.
Okay.
So when I got there now, I realized that most of the people there, they were fine ladies, they were nice ladies and all that. But to me, what I was looking for, I couldn't get it.
Why?
No, because that is me. I have a standard. I have something that I'm looking at. I have something that I'm looking for in a woman. Okay. But I didn't get it. So since I didn't get it, no. The credit I say, now what kind of penal? Yeah. Until I'll prefer to stay single than to be in a relationship and to pray say I'm single. And it doesn't show
better.
Exactly.
Okay, fine. We understand your point. Walk away, be so or date. What do you honor? I think it's that with that 19, are you sure you can look for, you can pinpoint, say, oh, about with the meeting in our
house? We say, Bema Bia or the Niswadi. What I say? So what that? No one needs to cry, no one near Hataka. Only say, okay, can't say, we cry, we am a type, we am a type. What I say? And when it comes to marriage, let me channel it to me. When it comes to marriage, I'm found one fair and quiet.
Okay, I was coming there.
What I say, I'm found one fair and quiet. It's su any bind. It's subino na yeshe. What I say, and as you were saying, you know, I had what I was looking for, what I want and what I want to see. But since I couldn't see that, you know, I guess what
can proceed.
Exactly.
As you're saying, say your quawari, your subine and the quawari and your friend. I think date rush AI say you see the physique, but the intellectual you know nipa krom. How are you going to figure it out?
Let me say, nimpa bia nimpa. We are bajumba. Yeah. Now we are intellectual, as you're saying. Nya pair. Say we there. We there me pay. Oba into me because I put it to you this. In that way, no, we show the character. Actual. You know, say we are quick tempered.
Okay.
We ought to say. And let me put this down. You can never, ever change a person until that person wants to change for yourself.
Okay. We understand that point.
What I say? It is a nimpa no yes na. In a way, you say, hey, some damn also. What I say? We could say I do way back. Say the way back. So there, my main corner go share. And na you will be an in a good idea. I say a man say, we you won't for party. When you would dear. Oh, what's tonight? I mean, yes, sure, but say about what it is another while.
Bia. Until the worker in I dear to me at Tiasi. Fine, Bema the only open, I said the opposite on but day trash na kwaya believe say enumere no obia betimi a change the character for a period of time. The program lasts for like 2 hours, right? Until with 2 hours metimi a comport me ho metimi show character bia Bema na so oba or person show interest no na ni beje me ho but na nyem true character no. That
is why it is called a reality show.
Okay.
Anybody who comes there comes in a real form.
Okay.
You can never predict. You can never pretend.
How can't I pretend?
No, you can never pretend. You know, you will never be one of my hair. It before be one of my bar. You forget say where you are.
Okay.
What did I say? What me ako? We say sometimes we call name me na sifi. Now I play fight because of the onim say hey massive. So before we realize no why we. What I say? It's never be one of my. It's like so we need to ho. Now, somebody who looks far and beyond that. I can sit down and tell you, oh, say now here.
Okay.
What's the one and see, at the end of the day, it will be an in your
okay.
It will be an in the subanti. And it will send a beer, son of bed. With me, Afa.
I think the Oban say, free love because of sales, say, Ubisan say, or the Nicofina say,
the Nicofina, and then mammy, and then papa, say, Mom, then I'll obey as a bar. Okay. No, say, never papa no. One or say the other will be okay. But me can't say, papa no mammy. Oh, Obano. Then I'll obey. Oh, Mama, I didn't say now. Bear my also one pen. I said, why be Diana? Okay, what they mammy be son. And I say, okay, maybe a rebel movie. And now say never cry with the 2 near Barbie and to exactly. And you know, there are certain things that we are facing now. Sometimes people call me. Every myself, I've been through 1 or 2 calls. I'll be a friend. I say because of tribalism and tea. You need to coffee, you know. And they did it for 4 years.
Wow.
What I said, they did it for 2 years. But because I never knew something. And I saw young Kenny, and I saw young Fantini. It's almost so also not the idea. Into me, I was looking at it. But don't can't me say, okay, maybe some mammy. The I didn't say that. Umpe Bemanase. It's on the mammy bread. And I said, Nene Becca Sane, how best. But Matuase. Until when you saw answer, now I feel disappointed. I felt disappointed.
All right, hi, Poleeno Multimedia, Ignatius, and education. Come on, I mean, on my day trash, it be also a personal food now that home. When young warrior, now call warrior or bar, no one has signed money. Senior Emerald, a crime bear sooner after day trash, or banning who after honor because over here icon will be Ignatius. I say, fanboy, be a bouncing girl into me, a shot at that time. A man be brave, Russia.
You see, when we are Bema, there are certain things that you need to put on yourself. Say,
okay.
And manage your murder, but how are you controlling? How would you control that kind of SM? Bema there, baby, and the baby. What I say? Obiya no or susun konkro.
Obiya no munkumi.
And edu baby cry na. Sorry to say. Obayi no hunu. Ejina obema no ntumi nka say we there.
Manenko.
What I say. But aside that, I hold on to what I wanted in my life.
Okay.
And what I wanted. Me wife cry upon. Or maybe.
Okay.
After day trash, or me say, oh, yeah, Bema.
No, no after, and I say after no.
It was after day trash.
No, okay. So
maybe.
Oh, social media and I
say. Every day, only TV so or TV feed.
Okay, media person.
No, not media person. It's a kind of.
Okay, or Shebina.
Okay. Oh maybe. What I say, so and Bema cry.
And now, okay, yes.
But because now I say now for 20. One camera man too.
Okay.
But later no. The one was started dating and say, okay, I could the church because I'm here.
Okay.
What I say?
So no kind of nuance.
But at the long run, no. I hold on to what I wanted and I forget what I realized, okay, we the main German.
Okay.
And so I should just look sharp then. Take them quick.
And on into when you open the answer. And Tempana, or the Ashen.
And I in the India. I didn't do it. Okay. But Una, Umano, what was I say on never do.
Okay.
Boys, and we try and try to do. And the maker. Okay. We try and try to do.
Me away, no. And
I need oh, yeah. Oh, my bani, the real person that you are. Wouldn't be a man who said, wouldn't be. Oh, be I mean, since I got married, and ever since I told myself that I want to be in a relationship, in a courtship, I sat myself down, analyzed myself, and learned so many things about life. What I said, because sir, bear my episode year, and never be a honor man, and I am wow. A young son idea of how to your so baby. What I said. Never be one who say way and for shame back. Don't involve yourself into it. You say me piano me then I met them fee.
Okay.
What I say? If you want a man, because
and yes, Casama friend.
Exactly. Now me and the piano only me piano. Oh, cotton sama. Man. On to the animal. Now me boy me could day. Now me could get a chimney. You're the dead. Now me could silly niche and run. Now they are from my. Now send me to me. Me won't say who. But I said we should sit down and analyze certain things because nipa na wo corridor on yenji Gabriel or nipa to say wa
obi anye sin
obey your body. So your body how would you take it? We find it say on say na dey nti me dey younger son we should come to ourselves say ebe you and you if you know yentina say let's have one goal. Even in a relationship, crown sanity. Okay. But maybe one normal. One now go away the nimbre obedi na wako. Enya ebida. What I say?
When lifestyle no dey balance.
I was say dey fine. But and bandi bo also be who mark singing now. But let me give you the benefit of a doubt. So obviously not 10 years now.
For that switching.
10 years no. Now why not relationship now you. What I said before be name if you be a mwanga Sanchez and I did. Anya Juma, Nama when you are.
All right, I think so. What can be brave, you know, you be a friend. But Yamra has say after day trash, as I said earlier on, obey popular, it will be a who say, boy, we need or a farm boy. Pressure also as being known by people.
No, you see, for me, I've been that kind of person from onset when I was growing up. I've been a popular person. Okay. From nursery, kindergarten, primary, GHS and all that. My friends in school, they'll tell you, say, wait there, son, I'm that type, I know how to carry people. Okay. I know how to lead people. And we'll talk about, I've been in a couple of Juma to say theater works.
Oh, okay.
I worked with Suarez, Clemente Suarez, yeah, theater works. We had one play at National Theatre with Suarez and Nana Kunid. One lady no here, MTN.
Okay.
Advert, you know. The one I say buffet papa.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And one or two people. Miami brother Penny, Dr. Pounds.
Okay.
Yeah, introduced me to the radio job and all that.
Radio personality as
well.
well.
Yeah. I'm a DJ, I'm MC as well.
That's fine.
So
to be a, and I saw wow MC. Why am so adi? And I want to kakra.
Oh, there. Because DJ Mike in the kakra.
Okay. But to me MC na live video. I say nkwe.
But MC there na MC there. Me am me salute me brother. K of Accra FM.
Okay.
Yeah. On Pomo drive time. On no be MC man. We by the penny pa.
Okay, that's fine.
So it was like my pressure there. No, me I didn't. No, there was no pressure.
There was no pressure.
There was no pressure.
Because after day trash and so on and later be who na say on Afia Schwar nigga and now when I say I think
you know
me who pose be bring of us now on necessary.
Yeah, Sister Afia, maybe I'm can say Sister Afia is someone I look up to every day. But for who say oh you're bad.
Yeah.
But on your bad.
Okay.
Ghana for your pen the credit.
Okay.
Who can the credit will more. When what I say. Na so no be can because approach you because way there and no but
understand.
I say you won the corner there. I say you can. The credit and the credit. Let me cross your back up. What I say. I know Sister Afia. I didn't call pictures before. It was way back and one more time.
Okay.
And Sankra, he called Penal birthday, he tried pictures in them. And she's someone that she always tells me, yeah, Iggy, Bompayo, and Pio, they're here.
Steph, yeah.
She said, yeah. Me quite so I could Bompayo, Nina. What I said, yeah. You don't want to a bomb one, and yeah, easy. What I said, because a job.
And I took bomb in there. Boys need want to cast every on the funny there, other way around, but
I'm a chain pie, a bomb pie
chain and coupon.
Exactly, from 12 to 4.
Only a fair trust.
No, I will catch you. Only some about 2 and this time is a bomb pie. They say. What I say? What's your most of my way will have Kuhuno. Every Saturday and probably by 7. I so do a soccer bomb pie. What I say? And that thing has brought a lot of improvements in my life. Yeah. And it is good to seek the face of God. So we should pray earnestly. We should pray without season. Prayer is very good. So and when I say tears are
obi e wo de o won chen but ebi a wa hore ne nkwa nyame afewa ye nti uhu se ebi a futuo we o de ma o nyina ne nkofo se omo de omu hu ne sa na mu date a sign ne ba and I saw any ding come and say no about sa posting.
Oh, me posting back. Me and some screenshot and I send the man.
Okay.
And he was like, we should just forget about this way.
One
news. So I got for there. One maker.
Okay.
Oh, new fact. And let me say something about we are behind camera, in front of camera, and all that. So Obi who is about TV, so now so we're into this kind of celebrity kind of life now. Obi had to be Canadian in the chair. No one knew Mumpono. But people who would get close to Afia would know say Afia is a different person. Okay. Afia is a lovely person.
Warrior that's on the vibe.
Yeah, with the vibe.
About wedding.
There we. Oh, now I busy.
Oh.
I busy
pan. Which one you right?
Oh, which one you right?
Which one you right? No Ghana.
There we. No, yeah, no Ghana before we call. But at the weekend now I busy. Well, no way you into me.
What the invitation man dey how many weeks and answer?
Oh, Medimano, I think a week. A week before, yeah.
So it wasn't enough time.
It wasn't enough time. Because now schedules meetings been not pressure no. It was all over. So
I say the who you answer worry and said that say home
and say we are sitting there. We are there and you kasa.
Okay. Actions and kwa.
O kasa be wa say mo. And no bia no ka Hosanna. Yeah. No, omo ka Hosanna. Omo so ka crucify him. And whoever is listening to me or watching me should know say and yet nipa bi on no sre no ye wonia anaso ye wadanfo anaso pe wase obi nya ya nka wase obi nya nka na obi dimpo no edi what I say. So I was my own planner to my wedding, me and my wife. Oh. Yeah, I was my own wedding planner. Everything.
Not pressure him.
Pressure, but I didn't want it to involve anybody. What do I say? And yes, I know a nimpe me no idea. But when you involve a lot of people or a third party, it becomes a problem. Yeah, go for baby a wire shape. We call it not 2 months, 3 months, no major. People call me why be no be decra na head.
Ebi so mu we omo tuaka.
Omo deka. E kan de. What I say? Otia. And then they wait. Where the deka. Cause enye won kwa na kwatena fe. Me fan say woti strazako. Onko wo single room bi na say 2 bedroom na otia. Ba re ba. E say wo ye nyema bi. We said no, cause obi ba na okofa na beti na ofie. Ntumi nko che ne kom. Yeah. So comfortable. Onkwana out in a comedy and then and they say comedy unko. But we know be by air ban. And so make sure that she's comfortable. Yeah. We need be quiet na sana we need be kasa. Obe to us here. Very very important. When was in a day? See, I don't need I say to God, say after everything me I like everybody's like, oh, he didn't invite me, he didn't do this, he didn't do that. I said to myself, because we're in the COVID times, we're not in the normal times. And as President says, we need to go by protocol. When to me invite you, say, oh, and I didn't even do it in Accra. Oh, okay. Me Kumasi. Oh, okay. See.
I know you Kumasi.
And send me wife to Kumasi.
Kumasi,
Santasi.
It's more or Santasi.
Yes, Santasi, yeah.
Oh, okay. That's fine.
So after that, Charlie, we are happily together and we're enjoying life.
Maybe a course.
Maybe a course. I'm not doing okay.
Into a crown over the way.
Oh, I can't.
As and before yes, before young boy boy maybe and be them that the intina one for pray no their whole.
Yeah, they in them. Okay. Having the membership. What I say?
Be a very fine.
You see, last time catch you, we say your marriage is one. I'm say, people say, oh, would you marry me? Then they go do something. Then go, the boy go kneel down and say, promise me.
Yeah, promise ring.
Something.
Who is that?
Me. No.
Hey, drama.
No, yes, I know. Oh, man, feel it. What I say. But in reality, no. I brother na bukobo.
So some
exactly, any drama no. Drama no dey. Hwe ceremony no dey ma ye wi o. Obi a be witness say, we twa video, we akoto we. It was nice, so it was late. Caption, happy marriage. Congrats. Obi ko aka congratulations kwa no nyanka. Egu. Obi say na we twi me bi. Na wan wire me. O dey enye ye, it will not last. O bo we nyame.
Na kamera say nti worry no. Omo na bi omo ni wom because oye be me dey abun so oba we there or I make a crab but unya worry and feeling it saying omo e chat one na post there.
Oh, me body me there.
And I block you be I change your number.
Me there say me dey me obi a free me nko pay obi ana.
Omo na we pay
there be yen so bi na be pay me. Say need there. Will you leave your exes or you leave your ex before you go into another relationship? Yeah. What I say? You don't want to sort me so.
Me ncha no. Once ex bi ho a what Jano, all right, when you say moon meaning in a party ways, but still not any woman.
I won't say any woman day you can be friends, but sometimes ex is also a trouble. Find ex.
All of you as a high to say a Poleeno Multimedia, yeah, senior Ignatius and a train and come on and chain or worry until my our room a foot to be brain and the beboa. Na ya brabo akosi anase wa ware kra obinyam afutu kakra onware se dem so menware na yebinyam kakra senior anyoma bi e koso na nsen of late say fix the country #fix the country oni omo ya adwen fix the country or fix yourself.
I think is whether fix the country or fix yourself, it all boils down to the level where we fix our attitude as Ghanaians. Okay. You never be honor. Sometimes you call a coma, send a church for the end of crampon. Okay. People take the law into their own hands and they work. Okay. What I say? Because of a number beer, it be my year, or maybe pay way money pay. So be there, na ka watch no now probing for 1 year no koba onye bio what I say but if you want to fair oh but also what's then I say but younger said nimpa no never be one ma employ or I say jai and now when it comes to the country Charlie me and you will know there are lots going on in this country and we shouldn't politicize everything say where you MPP where you NDC but at the end of the day the credit back up so when I was on one by no ya yebeka
okay
Yami adum kufo ba ye kan Mahama ba ye kan akufo ado yaka atemos ye kan atemos kwa mano e komini what I say
dey enyum nyina
Mahama time dum so ibone also munya omo ye hashtag dum so omo demonstration
dum so vigil
omo vigil it is and then omo say fix the country because in your mind here Kwame Nkrumah gave us this country I said forward ever backwards never what I say. So at the end of the day, no, Nana,
fix it.
I say you fix it. You sell mine, fix it mine.
A beer school, munya Jumai.
Oh, Nana, and as somebody, I can say, a
born a Katiana swing yet.
Yo,
and I'm what?
Yo,
Untiminka.
Now, when say, when you get this platform, now can be no one can hear. I was away the NDC and now we MPP. We should stop that politics thing.
We are all bleeding.
Affordable houses here, CCC way.
It's okay.
What I say, it's and you want to weigh into 1 year.
On to us,
Debbie. I don't just say, oh, Bumayo. No, so be a bay, also to us. We should enjoy Ghana. Let's not enjoy MPP and NDCO. We should enjoy Ghana as people.
And then I think that this fight, it won't be for us. Say, ABI, we putting pressure on the government, so on fix the bad rules and the health sectors. Because in 3 months, I'm going to be beneficial.
Share, me can baby. Me issue being a hospital. Okay. Yeah. And hospital and I mean to find to job, but we share how the nurses were relaxed and all that. 1 or 2 things. You are never going for she's a more pressure and in the money. What I say, when you know your attitude.
Yeah.
So yes, I know Sakio now a Jew poster. Want to me aside there. Want to me go and conquer your side. Nippon quiet there. Nippon come here. And say you know I said Obia corruption. Baby I knew one or go to ya. Obetia. Even watch your car, when you are married, fine, Charlie, what's up? What's up?
Protocol, baby.
What I say? So we should fix our attitude, and the government too should fix whatever he wants to. Because let's stop politicizing NDC and MPP. It is we.
Okay.
Our leaders. Yeah, mom leaders. So if we didn't vote for them to be our leaders, yeah, MP simple no. Obi on the map. Until election time. No, DC and I say MC assemblyman. On the company could on the company say when you say nobody do say never had no more. But because of our myopic mindset, or the issue or the emo or the angwa or the 50 Ghana to so. Sand them on the bit to make it for 4 years. On so what toy no be no aye we to corner anya hwe a emfa no what I say so Ghanaians should understand anything say or them amo the bar they should show them say ebe gi o ba ye ntoma
yeah even if say ntoma okra nyoma we say oye ne ebe pressure mo
ye ntoma okra bona because ye nga say adwen no shallow agi no ma na wi akoto ama na wi no ba na odi wo so a cause no we tell okay we o in 4 years no anya hwe emfa no cause kana no obeji no odi tell we.
So do you think that with this hashtag face the country, hashtag face yourself, we should hit the streets and government and answer the nation?
You see, we in
not just
everything,
on social media.
In everything, no, we have leaders. What I said, fine. Be hitting the street, going for a demonstration, and the government will hear it and get bad. Okay. The government and our leaders, they're on social media. Okay. They have platforms. They know what is going on. What I say, going through this kind of demonstration, you're paying for fine. Everything I call them, make I come and make Kobe.
Okay.
because me mama you be back and bamba bre.
No correct.
Because I never call hospital national health we upo na no. Na.
You be catch us say drobi kra ni ho so na abama doctor bi da kosi na ono pharmacy shop eton.
Bi so won kwa say covid we kaka o munya e kwa na.
Fine.
Aha, what I say. Enti yanga sa no yembo boy ho. Ye boy ho be mama yenya cause omunya say kai abe. Ye ne be juma tax be tia sa 220 million Ghana cedi dollars. Ye ne edika
obi e di feel.
Obi e di feel. Obi di no make go abochi.
Yeah.
What I say? Ye me no yete ya.
Yete ha.
Abochi ni enko.
Ye be wo ha.
There be me wo ha. There be. I didn't think I go for school. No, son and Beku Gabuchi, doctor Abuchi, and not in Abuchi. Yeah, doctors no more hand, then I'm way. Engineers, then I'm way. Then I'm way. What I say? We call ourselves a country. Country in independence and yen do. Let's not even do comparison. Shall we wonder? Then what I say? In pen of Ramon Charlie, believe.
On my hours.
I call you Juma, no man, about 1,000 cedi, 1,000 to 800. We call you 350. We call you 500.
A vigil 200. I catch you in there.
Oh,
and
because your mindset in you cheap labor. On so man, we back for your 2 cedi. I won't your call. But if we have a fixed BB say, we call labor, OG 200 Ghana a day, a fix that. No one will use it right on anybody. Okay. What I say? It's saying I dream back. Next finance for no push because Ghana be here. I am no. Yeah, president, you know, we deal or continue for a bit and as gasha. But one what if you only social security. Okay. Only 60 years, I only pension scheme there. Exactly. Fix the country, fix the country. The papa. Because Ghana, I say, arise Ghana youth for your country.
Yeah.
The youth is that makes Ghana. Youth in Ghana. So we should arise.
So I think it's as you are saying, we should arise, and then this thing shouldn't be something just for trend.
No.
I think it should be something.
One thing I also say,
yes,
we should go to the diplomatic corps. What I say, my government in Musana, we will not promise you. Also, we see 88 hospitals, one district, one factory, one dam, one den, one city, 1 million Ghana city. And buy that bender. What I say, Mama, and you get the beer. And yes, Mama, truth, my and the damage, number one, a piano, it's alcohol way, there be there. What I say, it's the Yenja MPP and this. Focus on Ghana. I
think there's a youth in Ankasa, be brave to sadden us.
What I say?
We should focus. Political issues now.
Oh, and the Queen.
Oh, MPP, na MPP in Koya.
When this name is in here,
name Queen.
Mamma buy a car. I could find out by a record. Because the TA, the Mitia, and I mean, Yajuma, me Majuma. What I say, let me call you car with a marble. The car, I'm a toy and $1,000. I may do hamburger. Which I send me $3,000. I think
can times 3.
And then cover for car.
Scan a coin. Yeah, they say scan a day.
What I say? It is a banner say that is why a lot of people are butchering me some Ghana for. Because scanning by calling for Baku, which is bad.
Because Obi caught pots no year, in a year, we see that. Now to her now bleeding. I think we all have to fix the country and fix ourselves now. Ghana and Puncho and Kostroma or Abrucho here just hashtag me and Queen. Senior
glass and corn.
Glass and one. Her phone. Yeah, call final words to her phone. It will be your dog.
The final words in this life, make God first. If you make God first, He always make you officials of men. What I say, being a follow back, you no go do anything. Then go buy for you, you go chop. But that person they do follow back for no, you always thinking of how it's going forward. But when I would do it, then I would do a man. What I say, put prayer, hustle, and I want hustle, being told my own day. And I say, oh, what done? No, be boy Juma. Sana abonite. In the end, I ain't yamia. Okay, you be ready. You be do, but. I don't be tina, it's a senti. Oh, on my phone, my yammy. Yammy soon, dear. Bompayo, bompae because what done no be kanchi. What done no be the dribble gate no. One bompae eventually a real should the end there.
Oh yeah, bompae. Oh yeah, religious person too much.
Yeah, me I'm a religious person. Paradise way. But now I'm moving about Keeper's Chapel.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And now, and yeah, sorry. Let me put this. And yeah, sorry. In a software, the more heaven.
Ah, okay.
What I say? And yeah, sorry. Any software, the more heaven. Bible say, "Obobian and Bobia son incessant."
Okay.
What I say? In the beginning, you go Bobia, I'm born more software. I'm born more sorry. But to buy and I say, "Oh, I didn't know who fine." But then in that fatal. But we should never wow. No why? And ye bibia na be hu ye sofo bia na be ko se sofo bompae mama.
Okay.
What you want now the one yamia bompae. Find a believing church. I want him so hanum dear a chira nyame ntiti.
Okay.
I remember what say Bible na esum no ase. What I say? And yeah, sorry now be ko na say be successful be Yankopon na de ma. What I say? He is the one who gives wealth.
Okay.
On no money pay your before. It is how you are so someone say for passport we bompae ama. Someone say be obenye sika. Wonanga sa wo kono. Adwun ben ene wo tri. O the passport na ko. The passport bompae go so a. Consulate na o te ho no so for bi. No, you need to work. You need to work on your salvation. Salvation is very, very important. You need to work on it.